average more than 7 million acres. Fire suppression costs escalated to over $1.4 billion in 2008 alone. The prediction for this year and beyond is for more of the same. But what if we could fight those fires quicker and more economically, saving money during all phases of wildfire management, with a quick response that will reduce the loss of life, loss of property, and our loss of resources, plus minimize environmental costs, tourism losses, and the negative effects on human health. Evergreen International Aviation has developed an aircraft with the capability to lower these costs. For more than 4 decades, Evergreen has been the world's leader in global aviation capabilities. Since the late 1930s, Evergreen has supported wildland firefighting activities worldwide. Today, they fight fires using a diverse fleet of helicopters. And now, this industry leader is bringing 4 decades of experience with Boeing 747s to revolutionize the way fires are fought from the air. The Evergreen Supertanker. The 747, the world's leading passenger and freighter aircraft, is also a capable utilitarian platform, flying special missions, including U.S. Air Force Aerial Command Centers, Air Force One, and transporting the Space Shuttle. Boeing 747 is the world's best-known, most fuel-efficient, and fastest subsonic jetliner. The Evergreen Supertanker can hold over 20,000 gallons of fire retardant, and it is equipped with a new high-tech aerial delivery system that can improve suppressant release, accuracy, and safety, both on the ground and in the air. Designed to address today's safety concerns, the Supertanker can fly within its design envelope and be extremely effective fighting fire. U.S. Forest Service testing showed the Supertanker's multi-purpose delivery system achieved remarkable coverage levels and retardant line construction unequaled by any other air tanker. The Supertanker's pressurized system will give government agencies the most capable, flexible firefighting tool in existence, all while providing reliable, predictable results. Skilled, certified Evergreen pilots can safely maneuver the Supertanker to 300 feet or higher as safety needs dictate. Even in turbulence, a slow, steady 140 knots can be maintained. Rapidly release suppressants as instructed by fire incident commanders on the ground. Depending on the desired coverage level, the Supertanker can initially attack multiple, small, fast-growing fires or a large wall of fire up to 3 miles long. This is firefighting capability on an unprecedented scale. The Evergreen Supertanker is designed for multiple segmented drops on a variety of pressures and configurations. Coupled with its 3-hour-plus loiter time and unprecedented range, the Evergreen Supertanker can make multiple strategically placed drops over a single fire or multiple fires without landing. Another advantage is response time. A centrally based Supertanker can speed to a fire at 600 miles per hour, arriving anywhere in the continental U.S. in less than 2.5 hours. It can refuel and refill at any one of more than 50 U.S. military bases, which means a single Supertanker using a strategic refueling location can, in an 8-hour period, drop more than 80,000 gallons of retardant in segmented drops on multiple fires. What that means to fire incident commanders is a versatile firefighting resource that's ready to respond quickly with a massive payload. Nowhere is the phrase "time is money" more true than on wildland fire. Over the past decade, the U.S. Forest Service alone has spent over $1 billion annually on wildfire suppression. Yearly costs continue to escalate, the true cost of these fires runs much higher if you factor in cumulative wildfire costs, which include timber, tourism, property losses, and lives lost. The Evergreen Supertanker can fight these costs as well as fires. If its effectiveness controls just 5 of the large fires that today escape containment, the Evergreen Supertanker would save the U.S. Forest Service over $102 million in suppression costs alone. When the cumulative wildfire costs are factored in, those savings would likely exceed $1.8 billion. While saving time and money, the Evergreen Supertanker revolutionizes the effectiveness of the aerial firefighting fleet while improving safety in the air and on the ground.
4-star cockpit prep. Complete.
Innovation has been Evergreen's hallmark. Evergreen's goal is to conduct air tanker operations at night while fires are most vulnerable. By utilizing the 747's advanced avionics, new night imaging technology, and the Supertanker's state-of-the-art delivery system allowing for higher drop altitudes, this landmark achievement is on the horizon. Yet the Evergreen Supertanker can do even more. It's capable of responding on a moment's notice to various homeland security and environmental concerns. Able to carry chemical neutralizers, the Evergreen Supertanker is large enough to neutralize a chemical or biological attack on a major population center or military battlefield. Weather modification and ocean fertilization are also viable missions within the capability of the Supertanker. The versatile tank system and nozzle configuration allows different agents to be dispersed at multiple pressures, all depending on a mission-specific circumstance.